Hello everyone, my name is Maulika and I'm from Jam and Panther team at Prolifix. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate a simple dashboard screen using iframes in my Panther Web application. So in this demo, I will be covering how I have made a simple dashboard screen in my Panther Web application using the HTML iframe tags. So this iframe tags allows me to put two different Panther screens in one place. So now the question is how I will transfer the data between these two iframes, because as we know, the iframes behaves like two different browser windows and it is difficult to transfer data between these two browser windows. So the answer to this question is you can use Panther's server-side cache to solve this problem. So for that, you will need to set the below property, the enable web ID property in your initialization file of your application. So by default, this value will be set to 0. So you will need to set this to 1. So by enabling the web ID, you will enable the server-side cache in your Panther web application. So by doing that, you will be able to access the cache ID by using the @webid property. So you can pass this cache ID, this @webid property, while making the request. So you can send it as a query parameter while making the request, or you can use the jQuery Ajax post request and you can pass this web ID in that request. So here I have a simple do post method which just simply posts one screen by sending that web ID. So here I have the screen name and the target. The screen name is nothing but the screen to open and the target in this case is iframe. Okay, so now you can have multiple dashboard screens by just changing the template tag of that dashboard screen. So you can use a simple GPL code like @screen and you can change the template tag of the screen by just using the HTML template property in the GPL as you can see on my screen. And here I'm using some bootstrap classes to just make my dashboard screen look better. So now let's have a look on the demo. So let's have a look on the configuration first. So you can see this is my Panther web applications initialization file and I have enabled the server-side caching by setting the enable web ID variable to 1. So I can use this @webid variable in my application. So now let me show you the JavaScript which I'm using to pass this web ID while doing a submit for that screen. So here you can see I'm sending the @webid variable while submitting the form. So this will use the cache ID which have the data of the screen. So let's see the screen on the browser. So you can see this is my login page of the application. So let me log in. Okay, so this is my dashboard screen and you can see I have two different screens in two different iframes. One is users list and other is user detail. So when I click on this user and I click on the detail button, it will show me the details of that particular user. So here I'm transferring the customer ID from one screen to other screen by sending the web ID while submitting the screen, as I just showed you in my do post code. So this is how I'm using the iframes to see two different screens in one dashboard screen. So now you can see on the left, I am using the bootstrap classes to create this menu, this side menu, and I'm changing the templates by using the JPL in the dashboard screen. So when I click on this customer list screen, it will show another template with other two screens. So when I click on this actor list, click on the roles, I can see that those roles for that particular actor in my title description screen. So when I click on this role, let's click on this. So now I can see the details of that role and the movie name. So this is how I'm transferring data between two screens in different iframes and changing the templates to create a dashboard. Hope this will be helpful for you to create the dashboard in your Panther Web application. Thanks for watching our video. If you have liked the video, please press the like button. If you are viewing our content for the first time, please press the subscribe button. If you have any queries, either post them in the comment section or email us at support@prolifix.com.